Hey everyone! Today, I'll guide you through the process of creating custom stickers using Canva. Let's dive in. Start by opening Canva and clicking on Create a Design in the top left corner. Choose Custom Size from the options. Switch the units 2 inches, set both width and height to 3 inches, then hit Create New Design. Navigate to the Elements tab on the left and select Graphics for your sticker. Move to the Text tab and add any text you desire. Arrange and design your sticker layout. Once you're satisfied with your design, download it. Next, head to the Apps section and search for a background removal app. Since I don't have Canva Pro, I'll need a free background removal tool. Click on the Background Eraser app and open it. Upload the design image you just downloaded. Remove the original elements, then click Remove Background. Your background-free image will now be added to the page. Resize the image as needed. Proceed by changing the background color for better visibility. Select the image and click Edit in the top toolbar. Under Effects, choose Shadows, then opt for Outline. Adjust the outline thickness using the size slider and set the color to white. Once you're done, it's time to download your creation. Click on Share and then select Download. Choose the PNG file format and ensure transparent background is checked if you have Canva Pro. Finally, click Download. And there you have it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.